Hey buddies, do you think water can make electricity? Sounds impossible, right? Well, get ready to be shocked because today we are going to make a saltwater battery and even make this little LED light glow. Here's what we'll need for our awesome experiment. 7 alligator clip wires, 6 plastic tumblers and 1 liter of water, 6 to 7 tablespoons of salt, a spoon to stir, 6 zinc screws, 6 copper plates and 1 LED light. Ready? Let's make some salt power. Take your 6 tumblers and fill them 3/4 with full water. And now add a spoon of salt in each cup. And stir. Keep stirring until the salt completely disappears. That's it. You made your salt water. And guess what? Salt water can carry electricity. Cool, right? Every battery has 2 sides, a positive and a negative. In our salt water battery, the copper plate is the positive side and the zinc screw is the negative side. Now, grab one alligator clip wire, attach one end to the copper plate and the other end to zinc screw. Do the same for all other tumblers, but keep the red wire and the black wire for later. Attach the red wire to the copper plate and the black wire to a zinc screw, and we are all wired up. Now comes the fun part, connecting everything together. Put the red wire copper plate into the first tumbler. Then take another alligator clip wire zinc screw in the first tumbler and the other end to the copper plate in the second tumbler. Got it? Great! Keep connecting them one by one, zinc to copper until all 6 tumblers are linked. Finally, put the black wire's zinc screw into the last tumbler. Make sure the metal parts, zinc and copper, do not touch to each other inside the water. Now, it's the time for the big moment. Take your LED. See the 2 legs? The long leg is positive and the short leg is negative. Connect the red wire to the LED's long leg and the black wire to the short leg. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow! It's glowing. You just made electricity from salt water. How cool is that? Here's what's happening. The zinc screw is giving off tiny particles called electrons. The copper plate is collecting them. The salt water helps them move by carrying ions between the 2 metals. When those electrons travel through the wires, they create an electric current. That's what makes the LED glow. So, you just built a real battery using salt and water. See buddies, science is full of surprises. Who knew that a bit of salt and water could create electricity? Try it yourself, but remember to be safe and ask an adult for help. If you love this experiment, give this a video big thumbs up. Tell us in the comments what we should try next. and don't forget to subscribe for more fun science magic.